Welcome back to my live, not live because I don't want to stream on Twitch, but still my live RAM hacking of the MSU one of Top Gear. So last time I left you guys. I was looking the way to how the game was telling the SPU to play the sound. I did some research offline. In fact, I did most of my research online. Also, I lost all my notes, so I have to rebuild all of them because of the Hibernate project on my laptop. So I just lost all data, so it's gonna suck. So I'll just explain what I did while doing the research. So I found out that the game, if I look at the routine at the title screen, let's see about this. So this line is telling to load the zero bang of sound, because I found out eventually that all the music from when you are in the menu are all in the same SPC data. So if you want to play the title screen, the qualify and the ending thing, it's all in the same bank, but it doesn't matter. So this line tells us to load the bank 0, this line tells us to start the transfer, and the fun part is those values. So I found out that these values are telling the game to play the sound. This one is telling which music to play in the offset. So 0 is means silence. If you mean 1 for the title screen, mean the title screen music. 2 is the ending theme, and 3 is the qualify. Since the Geiger debugger doesn't have conditional breakpoint, I have to make a makeshift conditional breakpoint. So I have a local copy of the SNS 9X source code, so I just went into the source code and had like really dumb conditional breakpoint to find out, oh, when the game write 01 to 2141 and whatever, right? That's it. Yeah. So I just found out eventually how the game works. So in order to play a sound, to play music, you have to have this value at 41, 42 at FF, and this one at either 1 or 2 or 3. As we'll make research for the pause and resume. When you are inside the track, you pay start, there's a little fade out, and I found a very nice way that the game works that way is that actually the CPU is doing the fade in fade out volume, so I just need to hook it up, and I got all of my fade in fade out doing. I don't have to do the fade in fade out code, which is pretty great, because usually the fade in fade out code is the sucky part to do. So I got 2 places in the code that I need to. This is my test code I did, so to make sure that the game doesn't play any music. So this is, in fact, this is part of 2 NMI routine. What I mean by that is like in the last stream, I found out that the game was writing to the SPC each frame. This is done by inside an NMI interrupt, which means that this is the v-blank interrupt. So which means this is the interrupt that's called 60 frames per second, and there are two of them. So the 9F F1 A3 is for the menu, and the 21 DH, not 21, 81 DH3F is for the actual game that's called each frame. So if you silence these two are called to the 2142, which means that tell the sound to play music. So if I look it up for this, do you see that? This is the same pattern, but doesn't use the same value, so I'm kind of screwed for that. But at least for the track, it doesn't matter. It's only matter for the menu, so the code will be the same regardless. So I just need to silence this line, and we'll get a similar line down here. Which one is F1 E3? There you go. It's the same line. It just doesn't load the same register and the same value in memory, but it's the same logic. They use variable that you kind of set. So that's how maybe I just put right breakpoints to this value to find out, oh, that's because I find out most of the time those value are like FF, which means nothing. So every time the game has two values, so I need to check out for these and these to make sure that I'm okay. I need to find a way for the actual, because this is called each frame for these, yeah, like this. But these guys, but this guy, what? Actual game. All right, so okay, so I need to check it out. Maybe I should just duplicate the code. I could do that. Yeah, I could do that because I don't have that much space. I also look for free space, and I'm not very lucky. I got, this is I think 9F. Maybe I should look for more free space. Let's see. It's almost the same padding that in of each pane. That's weird. It's always. How did you manage to do so tight data? I don't understand. So let's go over there. Now this one is pretty much the same. Okay, let's set E, set E. This is where I am, but there's no space there. Alright, let's see. It's always the same size. That's weird. These are just take a note of this. This is for bank. Let's see. 7, 1, 2. So at least I could just jump whatever I miss space to do code. And also title screen. Forgot to add that. Auckland. Ayers Rock. Canterbury Plains. This is for the main index, and the sub index are. This is ending team and qualifiers. So this is sub index to bank 0 sub index. So this is sub index for notes. And this one is always the one song, so we find that. I think they are, because they are longer song, and they are still no, there are two longer songs. So anyway, so I have to look it up at the index to make sure I got the right stuff. Right. So I need to double check something before starting writing code. No, this one. Is this one? This is the one I have to hijacking. So I need to make sure that's always FF or some random value. Oh, sorry about that. No, contours. CNS debugger. I think I got it. Oh, this is at the end. No, I need to go down. So only time this sucker is getting called, it's always FF. So how do I check? It's not. No, this is the volume, this is the track. Okay, I need to check. Oh crap. I really need to make 2 versions of the same code. That's unfortunate. So let's see if I get some empty space at 82. It'll be like closer. I think it will be the first time I have to duplicate code because it doesn't read the same value. Maybe I should just use a macro. Hey, stop the cat. Okay, so how much space do I have? Let me guess. Same space. That's, I've never seen that kind of panning before. That's weird. So, okay. This is 82. Is it 82 or... Yeah, it is 82. Oh man, fuck darns. FF, so cancel bytes. So I need to make sure when I write this code that... Yeah, I don't think I have other choice to duplicate the code. Yeah, it's unfortunate, but since I need to know that the for the code, because this is called each frame, I just can just call the code and make sure. Oh, that's, I can just hijack this routine and call it. Oh, that's fine. I can just play music. No, I have to check it out. The index is it will be like 1 before playing data, and the variable is not the same. So yeah, that sucks. So I will start with the menu stuff. Yeah, I will start with this. So MSU menu main, and I will do the volume. So that's a little check. I never did before in my code act before, but still, this is to make sure I don't overflow because I don't have much space. So I need to add this. So I'll add volume, and this as game main for MSU, TS. This is for doing the fade out. MSU fade volume, and so this is menu. So instead of doing not, I'll do a GSR to MSU menu main. Yeah, I can do a GSR because this is in the same bank. If you can see here, this is the same bank. So PHP, this is for pushing the state. Push A, set 21. This is for setting the telling this SNES CPU to read and write value in 8-bit instead of 16, because by default it's 16 and you don't want to do that. So I'll check the MSU1 presence, original code. Sorry about the cat. Thank you, cat. So I need to push A because I'm loading to check MSU1 presence. This is the handy macro I did for all my projects to just not duplicate data. So original code, and the original code is this is a store to FA38. This is a store to, and to be fancy, I'll do just do a constant. All of them. Usually that's in other games you just need the 2140, but for this game you need all of them. So yeah, there we go. So STA, I said come to. So alright, I need the TLA and start this, and PLP, and there we go. That should be fine. Also, I don't need to store the value because I just... Okay, so I'll just base that on that. So set the track. Okay, just add comments to just remind me, set the track. Check the statue. The statue with the MSU. Set track. Set the MSU. The track is missing. Okay, so MSU code is already the same thing, so that's why I just copy paste. And statue and track missing. So I did this time. Oh, I need to do more to stuff. I'll just go to the original code stuff instead. I don't need track looping because this is a simpler game, so I just need to tell. It's always repeating. There's no like. Oh right, there is one. This is there we go. I need to check the track before. But I think no, that should be fine. Yeah, that should be fine. I'll see what how the game goes and set the volume. There we go. And can remove the fade out. And oh right, I need to do this. I don't know. Because I'm just I'm chicken about this, so I just make sure that when I'm pushing the A for keeping the state, I just do that in 16 minutes of 8. So here I need to 20 STA PLP. No. So 20, yeah. So 20 because you want this to be set at 8-bit. You don't want to write this to the other registers. So yeah. And RTS, PLA, PLP. This should be good. Do I need to do other stuff? No. Yeah, I need to do this. Okay. So we're done. I can go back to the game. So track. I need to check. This is for the menu, so I need to check this guy. Not this guy. I'll do full on value. And check this guy as well. I should do like I should call this like menu command. So this should be always FF if I remember correctly. Yes, so this needs to be FF. No, I don't just. Do I need to load down this? Just change? This is always FF. I only need to check this one. Yeah. Yeah, I only need to check this one. Let's see. So if this one is back, just go to original code because we don't care about this. So if this is same thing for 0, go to original code. This is for the menu, so yeah, the index will be set track. Need to copy that. So since this is the index, I need to add a padding somehow. Yeah. Okay, so I'll still be 0. just create my makefile for the PC engine yet to make sure I got the right index, because since the game for Bank Zero is just all the music in the menu, right now I'm doing the menu routine, this is all sub-index, so I can just name the file correctly because it will be conflict with this one. So I should add maybe 3 to that. Yeah, I should just add 3. Skip 0, yeah. Don't use 0, but so that will be 4. 4, 5, and 6. So yeah, so it'll be much simpler doing that way. So maybe no, I'll just add a clear carry just to be sure. It's 4, 2, yeah, 3, because this is index. Yeah. So this will be 4. 5 will be target true ending team. I think I name it the file that the wave that way. Yeah. There we go. I'm just remove victory to qualify because this is odd. This is all it's called in the UI of the game. So yeah, there we go. We'll do. Yeah, this is Control D to duplicate lines in the Notepad++. 3. I'll do color editing there. And this is Auckland. Wait, this is Errors Rock. Double check. Yes, it is. And Canterbury Plains. The S of that. There we go. I'll just make sure that works properly. Oh, forgot the 2. There we go. This is unusual. Should be quicker than that. I don't know why. And you can see that. Ah, damn it. PCM. I just need to remove these wave. This has happened when you're riding under pressure. And this is I'm just recording that's right. And that's really because I don't want to. It's mostly because the chat on Twitch doesn't work, so I don't see the point of streaming if you can answer a question. I can ask questions. Sorry about that. So yeah, so that should be good. At 3 STA to the low. This is STZ because I don't care about this. The track is missing. That should not be the case, but still. And maybe add a check if. Yeah, maybe not. Maybe it should be fine. And let's try this. Yeah. Yeah, I made a typo. I don't know why the code is not. Oh. Yeah. And I didn't miss any space. That's great. So if you go inside the ROM, just read all the data. I got the end. And we see our code generated there. Yeah, that's good. Great. So let's try this. Right now it should not do anything because you're not calling back to the SPC. So let's try this. I didn't do the mapping file yet. I'll do that. I was waiting for the stream to do that. So let's try in BSNES what the sucker does. And if everything works correctly, you shouldn't hear any music. Yeah. Alright, he's not detecting the MSU one because I didn't do the mapping, so I'll just exit the macro. I'll just double check my code in the SNS9X. Since I didn't find a suitable debugger for BSNES or any inverter that support the MSU one, when I want to check my code, I just modify the macro to use branch is equal instead of branch is not equal, and that's where SNS debugger can always execute the code. So add a breakpoint to this, just make sure my code is correct. Alright, let's try this. Breakpoint to my code. It's already being called. Oh, that's weird. So he's pushing, set, loading, compare. We don't care. This is 0, which is what we want. And he's going to execute the original code there. There we go. Oh, I need to specify the length. There we go. It should be fine for this instance. So, you know what? I'll add a breakpoint to my code because I want to skip all of this. Compare 0, and I want to go after that. There we go. There we go. It should be called only when the fade out of the title screen is done. There we go. So CLC, ADC 1, we got 4. Storing that to the MSU1 register, which is fine, and blah 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 blah. I don't like the side of it. Let's reset that. I don't like this. Should be. Oh, I'm not calling the right routine. Silly. No. Oh, that's fine. That's fine. Sorry about that. Yeah, it's calling the right. Okay, let's see what it's doing. STZ, LD00, and this is the status. Yeah. Result 3 is to PLP RTS. He's not doing the store. So why are you hearing the music? Okay, let's try something. Let's comment that and put back the no up. Let's see what the game does. Did you make? Just double check. No. So what the fuck is going on? Add the breakpoint here. I would call each frame sitting. maybe I should hijack the... Yeah, maybe I should hijack the other stuff instead. Yeah, I should do that instead. So let's see if I do this instead. So I'll try with no up first and see what this does. That should do nothing because it's not writing to the SPC. There we go. But it's not playing any sounds, which I don't like this. So that's why I was hijacking this one before. Oh right, he's asking, yeah, I know. Yeah, that's right. But still, that should work. Because it's not calling any SPC, it's not writing to the SPC at all. But the other does. That's why. Maybe I should just always skip that. Yeah. Original code, but I'll do like nothing code and PLA PHP. Yeah, I'll do that instead. That should work. Need to make sure we're hearing the sound though. It will, because yeah, clean sound. So yeah, that should do it. So this works. I'll pull back the macro correctly, and there we go. Let's make a temp folder here and use SNS Purify to make a mapping file for BSNES. So there we go. Just copy the ROM, because what SNS Purify does is moving file. So I think this is. I think that should do it. I don't want to recover the name. There we go. And out. And we have got our manifest that we can use and modify. Yeah. So I'll just rename that to Tab Gear 2 MSU1. Add it to Git. There we go. And it should be like fairly easy to do, because this is a low ROM, and no, this one is not. Yeah, there we go. Move the space. There we go, and there we go, and there we go. That should do it. Oh, this is, yeah, I'll just do that to be consistent. So this is the same, and there we go. That should work. Let's try. Make sure it builds. And try this with yes and yes. There we go. And it works. Great news. Well, I think the volume of the CD needs to be boosted. And the song is still playing because I didn't stop. All right, I do need to put a stop. Maybe a volume should be enough. Yeah. It's kind of funny hearing the title screen music. So this works. Alright, I can close that. I can... Should I submit that? Yeah, maybe I should, yeah. Just to make sure that... MSU menu code. There we go. Oh man. Cannot. MSU menu code. Let's break this out with actual file. Here we go. Can move on to the actual game, which should be like a copy paste of this, only yeah. And there we go. Should be a copy paste of that instead of this value, which should be this. Okay, the value is 9A. No, this is the one. Or the track, and we don't need to do this. Just to store the track right away. Set the track. Alright, oh, I forgot. The $sign for telling this is hexadecimal, but there we go. Game main, there we go. Can also do the volume, which is and S2W. Which one was the volume? This one. Yes, this one. So this is SPC COM2, COM1. There we go, and an RTS. I need to hijack that to there we go. I don't need to check for the MSU one because we'll just do nothing for the original game. I will just say space that way. Oh, right. Ah, no scoping, that's why. So how do you do scoping? Yeah. Scope. That's why he's not working. And this guy. No, I'll do this instead. And add a scope here as well. There we go. There we go. So if you go into inside the game with BSNES, I really need to get it stuck there. And the fade works. That's pretty good news. So the only thing that left to be done is the stop. And I'm pretty sure this is the same logic as the pause there. You just drop the volume. This is pretty cool. It's just saying this, the music is not as good as this SNES version. That's just my opinion. Just erase. I really need to boost the volume, but even if the emulator is supposed to be louder than the SD to SNES, it's pretty quite quiet, so I'll need to boost the volume. So that's just easy operation to do it on SD, so I'll just show you how to do it. Started to get laggy. I don't know why it's laggy because of this recording and shit. Oh damn, I've made a mistake. Up here I need to, for the menu main, not the game main, I need to, because right now I'm loading the index, yeah, I need to load instead this guy instead. Because you always are in the There we go, I told you it was fine. I had a save state here. Save state. I don't want to replay the track. Yeah, it's playing the same track, so let's fix this. There we go. Was fine for the tile screen, but not for the actual game. Damn it. So let's load this. And we're not hearing shit. Is it because of the volume? Just remove the qualifier, maybe that's the reason why. I'm tired of not hearing anything, so I'll just do the boosting of the volume right there. So normalize to 0 dB. Okay, it's not enough. Let's remove the silence because this is part of the CD part of the thing. There we go. And these are. This is modéré. We don't need to be that loud. And save that. Touch screen as well because this is the one we're hitting the most. Right. Move the digital silence the further. There we go. Boost the volume. This is called leveler, I think in English. The niveler. Should I do normalize first? I'll do it. Normalize. And export. That's for Earl song as well. So this is okay, this is quite loud. Normalize first, then just boost the volume. There we go. Export. It's quite quick to do. There we go. I'll just do all of them then. That'll be done. Normalize. And sounds great. Let's do the ending thing, then the qualifier, and we will be done. Like that. Even yeah, I don't need to normalize, I think. Do that after that. Normalize. It's not doing that much stuff. There you go. You just keep the silence because we don't need to modify the code to be. Oh, that worked. And add a niveler and normalize this shit. There we go. There it goes, much louder now. There we go. Just run quick PCM again. Oh, I know what. That was quicker than before. What the hell? Okay, anyway. So let's make this. I don't think this is getting clear though, because this is only called once. We have qualified. So let's try this. I'll do the full loop. It's a bit better. Still need to do this. Okay, this is bad. Okay, so let's check with the debugger what's going on there. Okay, so just watch the value here. And this is this one, not the game. This is 0, this is normal. Oh crap, this is getting clear. Nice! Using that as the name of the player. This is funny. So, okay, I can... Damn it. Okay, where should I put that? Pretty sure this... No, the one for the... Pretty sure this get called after the clearing. But this is not used anymore. Let's see. Let's watch this instead. So it's $5.99. This is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so let's watch this instead. No, I can just we need to start this elsewhere. Wait. Maybe here? Oh, this is getting clear. Okay, let's have it right. Okay, let's have a right breakpoint here to make sure that this. It's even at the reset, what the fuck? Okay, there is clearing the RAM. Yeah, it's clearing the RAM. So. Damn it. Damn you, game. Damn you. Let's see the beginning of the RAM. To make sure of getting, because I need to write somewhere the music, because this is getting override. So that's why I got my custom SNS 9X version. Because I'm logging each access to RAM so I can find an easy way and unused value in RAM. That should do it. I can remove breakpoint. So this is why I got a check out of the SNS 9 code, because I need to trace the RAM. So sorry about this, I'll need to play all sessions, so I'll just move the sound because I don't need it. What the fuck? Okay, I need to reset the game I want to play. There we go. I need to try 2-player though. Just make sure the whole cycle of the game you don't see. Make sure I got a clean place in RAM to store that. So sorry. At least this is quite a quick race, so it's not that bad. Oh man. Should not waste my nitro. So to make sure when I find a suitable RAM space, I need to make sure that it doesn't get read or written by the game. So I need to do this again. Sorry about that. Maybe I'll finish first. Nah, I'm too far away from the first player. The third one. No, wait. Doesn't matter. I'll be qualified instead. Anyway, I mean. Just do this to make sure that I access the RAM value correctly. So yeah, I'm third. So. All right. Yeah, qualified. So we just start on our race to make sure and go all the way. Be sure to buy some stuff. Tire. And change the color. Yeah, we'll change the color of this car. Make it black. Restart. And, it should be good to go. There we go. Yeah, I think I should have enough information. So let's open this. another X editor. So I got this value here that's never been clear, which is 38. So let's try this into the debugger and see if this value ever gets written by the game. So set E 0038 should be in the clear once at the beginning of reset. I'll add the sound for this time because it was quite boring playing without the sound. Make sure I got every value. Still nothing, so I'm good.
Here we go now.
Yeah, sure. Shut that earlier. That's kind of stupid. So, there we go. So it'll be only me, but the stream should get the audio. No. Dang it. Sorry about that. So just which breakpoint is that? Oh, damn it. So that means it's getting clear. Damn you, game. This is slur used by the game. What the fuck, man? Damn it. So I need to find another space in RAM that's not used. Fuck it. Sorry, all been used. Yeah, it's all been used. Let's try this one instead. So def 840. Let's try this. Let's clear the beginning of the game. No, this is used by the game, so I don't like this. Damn it. Or maybe yeah, I know what I'll do. There we go. Okay, so this is getting store down screen, entry a track. So this is the one I need to hijack. This is inside the 9F bag, so kind of weird. go, and tell the MSU to stop. After that, we could push, yeah. There we go. I think this is already in. Restoring the whole thing. Yeah, I need to set up this. PHP. That should be fine. Because this got space. There we go. And I can remove the check track here. That's what it does. And didn't work. Damn it. Okay, so let's. Yeah, hijack the right thing. Yeah, that should do it. And then the same bang as well, so. I don't like this. Oh, I think you need to set the 0 still and set the track, right? Because the right is check, yeah. There we go. Maybe that's the problem. Yeah, this is it. You need to write to the IS track to make sure it's starting to trigger. If this doesn't work, nope. This is. So I need to do this here. Just, oh, I got. Let's try this. Okay, I need to do a debug because I don't get what's going on. Okay. You should go only once when you start the game. You can see the thoughtful words. Alright, so PHP rep 1. STZ there. LB 0, start this. That should work. Okay, let's see what behaves after it scores. Okay, so we got 2. And this is 2 as well, so it should work. Maybe I need to stop before that? Yeah, that works, but let's see MSU code. I think I have. Do I have the code of BSNES? Nope. Ah, there we go. FCC chip. This one. Let's see. Right. And this is. Track is 2005. Okay, so it's only when you write to 2015 it's trying to write. It still adds data to it, so and stop as well. Okay, so the stop is not needed. The starter is. Yeah, this is not needed. This is getting called correctly, so I don't get why. Okay, so it's fuzzy. So it's Okay, so this is that loop, but not elsewhere. That's weird. Alright. This stop it. This is reading this. Okay, that should work. That one understand why it doesn't. Okay. This is really the start of the end of the track, so okay, I'll do something. There we go. Just do it that way. There we go. That's what this does. So the stop is getting called. Looks like yeah, that's the case. F3F, B3F. This is when you start again. This is going to call when okay, so this right, I'll just do this instead. Make sure I got the right thing. Because I want to see where it went. I'll put this as well. She was getting pulled before that. Okay, there we go. There's nothing. Just to give you what you want. So the store is getting called there. Storing this. Yes, there we go. It's calling the load. Okay, that should work. I discovered think this is normal, so okay then. Why it doesn't work? Is the track set correctly? PCM are there, so that's no problem. God damn it, game. Yeah, this is the track you need to load. This is 1, 2, 3. That the trick. I don't know. This is weird. All right. I need to put by the micro. What the fuck is going on? What the fuck is going on? This doesn't work apparently. The code's still otherwise. Okay. Open the Scala. This one. Okay. Maybe it doesn't work in PSNES. It should not be the case. I think I have the source code to PSNES somewhere. Or maybe this is just the binary. In C++? No. Okay, I'll try the real machine var.